Are you ready? 15 minutes, low impact rebounding workout. We're going to build some strength and cardio today. Let's just get bouncing, warm up. Just a nice gentle bounce. Let's go in and out. I do have some light weights today that I'm going to use. If you have some nearby, great. No need. If you got them, wonderful. If not, happy days. Body weight will do just fine today also. Let's work hard. Stay moving the entire 15 minutes. When you need a rest, you just come, connect to your breath, feel a deep sense of gratitude, and get back into it when you're ready. Just in and out. Let's get nice and warm. Get the arms in, up high. With Rebounder, so great for building balance, core stability. It's amazing what 15 minutes can do for us. Just know how powerful a short workout can be and how powerful you are for continuing to show up every day. Oh yeah, you got this. Twist. Nice and easy at first. Ooh. Let's bring our legs together. Arm circles. Going forward. Get a real good bounce where you feel like you're flying. I'm a bird. I'm a plane. Ooh, that was quick for the endorphins to engage. Oh, backwards of the arm circles. If nothing else, this will boost our mood and elevate our energy. But the truth is, it's also going to build incredible strength, discipline, balance, core stability. The list goes on and on and on. Okay. Just a nice, simple side to side squat. Strengthen the legs. Just go as deep as you can. Start to sink a little bit deeper with each one in that you're really feeling the bend of the rebounder. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Let's bounce side to side. Use your arms. Ooh. If I go flying off the rebounder, I will keep it on. If you stumble, don't worry. We'll catch you. Just come right back to it. It's not how often we fall, how often we pick ourselves back up. Yeah. Whew. Okay. Ooh. Here we go. There. I got it. It's like a military march. Just takes a moment. So it took me a moment to get my coordination right for this. Get that leg up as high as you can. There we go. Ooh. Obviously, we can be like this. This is brilliant. Why not? Real great core exercise. But if we can add a bit of a bounce in there, we're stimulating every cell in our body. Leg up as high as you can. Great flexibility for the hamstring. Ooh. Brilliant. Last couple. It's okay if you fall over. Around the world, real controlled bounces. Great core stability, but can we move with a bit of pace? Really drive your feet into the rebounder. So we're really going to get the heart rate up in the next couple minutes. Try to stay to the outside to gauge the core. Other way. Ooh. Yeah. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Drive those legs. You can grab on if you need to. Whatever works for you. 20 seconds. Come on. Pump. Feel the burn. Own your suffering. You got this. I think I can. Yes, we're almost there. Brilliant. I think we got the heart rate up significantly. Let's grab our weights. Just bounce with them for a moment. And feel that stretch in the shoulders. You just relax into it. Simple. But not necessarily easy. Hold it up there and bounce. A nice cross. Keep your arms as straight as you can for 20. And just bounce. No toxic thoughts. I think I can. Come on, 5 seconds. Hold it. You got this. You can do it. And down. Just side to side. Really let that weight drop down. Just feel how lovely that feels in the arms. As you continue, pumping the legs, keeping that heart rate up. Oh, blood's flowing throughout the body. Oh, so is the oxygen. You're doing it. Amazing. We're going to come back into that. Are you ready? Only difference, legs out a little bit further. Bounce. And come on, arms up. 20 seconds again. Your mind wanders. I can't do this. Nope. Just come back here. I can. Oh, feel it in the biceps. Oh, I sure do. Come on. We're almost there. And 3, 2, 1. Hallelujah. We're going to go right into a skier. There we go. Just keep moving. You got this. This is our semi-recovery. One more cross coming up. I know. We're going to hold it for 30 seconds. Get yourself pumped. You hold it for as long as you can, but I know you got it in you. Ready? Let's go. 30 seconds. You can just hold it if you want. Your tiniest little bounce. I'm coming. Ooh, shoulder width apart. Dynamic. Pump. It's already 15 seconds. We're halfway there. Come on. 3, 2, 1. One more second. Why not? Come on. Oh, yes. Just bounce laterally. Oh, relax the arms. I assure you that's not easy for me, but amazing strength we're building. Oh, core strength, arm strength. Oh, resilience. We can do anything. We really put our mind to it. Anything. Why not? We can't fly. Really? Can't we? Airplanes, wingsuits, who knows what's next? When we think we can, we put in the time, the energy, the effort. The sky is the limit. Okay, slow it down. Just a nice little bounce around the world. Just keep bouncing around the world for 10. 3. Nice and easy. Stay as upright as you can. Engage that core. 7. 2 more. Come on. And that's it. And bounce. We're going to recover, and we're going to do that again. So our recovery is our skier. If you need to just rest, then do so. Just easy with the arms here. Easy with the legs too. Just tiny little bounce. I think I can. We are going to bring a little bit of a squat into around the world. Don't quit now. You can do it. Just come down a little bit. Get your bounce. Baby squat. Here we go. Maybe a little bit more pace. 2. 5 more. 3. 2. 1. One more. Yeah. Oh, and bounce. We can build willpower. Willpower is just finishing what we start. Doing it a little better than we think we can. And going a little longer than we thought possible. Forward and back. We're almost one more around the world with a bit of a deeper squat. If I can do it, you can too. I know it. All right. Are you ready? Let's get down. A little bit deeper. Gentle bounce. And here we go for 10. 4. 2 more. 1. 2. Can we do more than we said? Yeah, we can. Come on. Why not? 15. Brilliant. That's willpower. Yes. Really get off your rebounder. Let's fly. Bring all your attention right here. Deep gratitude to yourself for showing up. to your incredible body, all the things they can do. Movement is magic. Slow it down. We did it. That is some amazing cardio and strength. Oh, really relax those arms, shake it out. Oh, just take it all in. Oh, well done. Comment, job done. Share your progress, inspire others, inspire me. I'll see you again tomorrow. Yes.